Hi, this is Mrs. M with the Janitorial Spot. So today we're going to talk about what keeps most cleaning business owners up at night. And the number one thing that keeps most cleaning business owners up at night are three areas. I won't say number one, but I'll say three areas. One, employees, how to find, train, and retain the best employees. Because most cleaning companies are actually pulling from the same pool of potential candidates to be with their company. It's a challenge to get the best employees. The solution? Try your best to get referrals from your other great employees. They may have cousins, uncles, aunts, mothers, fathers, brothers, sisters that would be really interested in working for your cleaning company. By asking your best cleaners, that really helps when it comes to finding the best ones. And also make sure you have a referral program in place, which is an incentive for them to really go out there and search for really great candidates. The next is cash flow. A lot of cleaning companies, of course, have to wait 30, 60, 90 days, sometimes up to 120 days. So even though the money may be on the books, when and if they're going to be paid is another question. The solution? Try to make sure you do jobs like projects that you get paid instantly, carpet jobs or post-construction. Once you've completed the job, you're actually looking to get paid right then. This is for commercial. Residential, you normally don't have to worry about that because you mostly get paid right after. So for commercial cleaning, you want to do projects that you can get paid right away. The other thing you want to do is make sure that you invoice ahead. So at least when you get done at the end of the 30 days, you're getting paid. The third and last item that a lot of cleaning company owners are concerned about is actually finding contracts. They want to know what they can do to find contracts. So they're constantly being concerned about that. The solution, always be marketing. Make sure you have a marketing program in place that is always getting referrals and leads. And there's a difference between referrals, which is it actually comes with compliments of how well you've done the project before. This is a referral, someone's referring you, and they're actually giving you a go-ahead for that person to use you. As opposed to a lead, they're just telling you, I know they need some work, or they're interested in doing a bid, but they don't put in a good word for you. That's the difference in a lead and a referral. A referral, you pretty much know you have it. A lead is just giving you a warm, fuzzy feeling that they actually need a cleaning company, but that doesn't necessarily mean they're going to hire you. So these are the three main areas that keep a lot of cleaning business owners up at night. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 1-800-601-2730, extension 106, or visit us at www.thejanitorialspot.com and sign up for our free weekly resources that we send out. Also, we've got some free resources that you can download and that you can do without being a member. Hope this was helpful. Have a fantastic day.